In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view who has read your messages in Microsoft Teams. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially in collaborative settings where clear communication is key. Knowing who has seen your messages ensures that your important updates aren't missed. And it helps you follow up effectively when needed. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already logged in, open your Teams app or navigate through your web browser to the Teams website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in the correct team or channel where the message you want to check is located. Being in the right place sets the stage for accurately viewing read receipts and keeps you organized. Now, locate the specific message you're curious about. This could be in a group chat or a channel chat. Once you find the message, hover your mouse over it. You should notice a menu icon appear, usually depicted as 3 dots or an ellipsis. Click on these 3 dots to open a context menu. This menu is packed with options, such as replying, editing, or sharing your message. Within the menu, read receipts, often labeled as read by. Clicking this will display a list of users who have read your message. This feature provides valuable insight into your team's engagement, helping you see exactly who has seen your updates. It can also serve as a gentle reminder to follow up with those who haven't yet read your message. Keep in mind, this feature may depend on your organization's settings. If you don't see the read by option, it could be due to administrative policies that disable read receipts. In such cases, consider reaching out to your IT department or Teams administrator to understand what capabilities are available to you. And there you have it. Keep track of who's keeping up with your communications in Microsoft Teams. Mastering this feature can significantly improve collaboration and ensure that everyone stays on the same page, whether you're leading a project or simply coordinating with your team. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy Teams messaging.